Free traffic versus paid traffic. Well, if you're trying to do any kind of marketing online, you need traffic. Traffic means eyeballs or people who visit your website. And the best way to get traffic is targeted traffic. Targeted traffic means people who are interested, who want what you have to offer. That is what targeted traffic is. And there are two major ways to drive targeted traffic: free and paid. Now, free traffic are ways where you don't have to pay for the traffic. You just do some things like SEO or social media where people are already there and you get your offer or your message in front of them without having to pay for anything. The second way are paid traffic methods. Now, paid traffic methods are ways where you pay for the traffic, you pay for the eyeballs. It can be Google PPC, it can be Facebook ads, and there are many different ways that you can do it. Now, which one is better? Well, it depends on what do you have. With free traffic, you need a lot more time and a lot more effort. With paid traffic, you need money, but you also need to learn the skill set. So both have a time and place, and it's up to you what you want to focus on. Is it free traffic? Do you have the time? Do you have the resources to put in the effort to produce a lot of content? If not, then might be paid traffic is the best method. But with paid traffic, you also need to know the numbers, you need to know how to track, you need to have the right knowledge of how to use one particular traffic source. So that too is important. Plus, you will need money for testing, getting the ads. So both have a place. Free traffic is also good, paid traffic is also good. It depends on you completely. Subscribe my channel Saransh Kandoi for more such tips and videos.